Meaning of earthiness.
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 Earthiness. Earthiness refers to a quality or characteristic of being natural, grounded, and connected to the earth. It is often associated with things that are rustic, organic, or unrefined. For example, the earthiness of a wine might refer to a taste or aroma that evokes the soil or terroir in which the grapes were grown. In general, earthiness is a positive quality that connotes authenticity, simplicity, and a lack of pretension. It is a reminder of our roots and our relationship with the natural world.